Welcome to my video. This video will show you all what the Lovemaths app for iPhone and iPad can do for you. In a few words, this app will allow you to do math function study, to calculate integrals, to search antiderivatives, and to solve equations on inequalities. Let's start with an example. Here, I want to study the function log of x squared plus 1 plus 5. So I enter this function in the first field and I click on the Go key. After a few seconds, a PDF file will be generated with the study of the function detailed. So here we have the PDF file, so we can see our function log of x squared plus 1 plus 5 with all details like the domain of definition, its derivative, its limits for minus infinite and plus infinite. We can also find a table of values and a table of variations, which tells us that the function is first decreasing up to 5 and then again increasing. And at the end of the file, we have the curve of the function, which shows that the function is first decreasing and then again increasing. Another possibility is to calculate integrals. So let's give here another short example. For example, if I want to calculate the integral of log of x for the interval 1, 2, I enter first the function and then I give the interval, and after this I click on the Go key. After a few seconds, the PDF file giving the results is showed. So here I can see that the integral between 1 and 2 of log x is 2 log 2 minus 1. And the PDF file also gives me the average value of this function on the same interval. And at the end, I have a graphic showing the value of the integral and the value of the average value. Another possibility is to just search the antiderivative. For this, I just have to remove the interval and keep the function. And I click on Go. And here, the antiderivative of log x is provided by the PDF file. So the antiderivative of log x is x log x minus x plus a constant c. One last possibility offered by the Lovemaths app is to solve equations on inequalities. So let's first start with an equation. So for example, I want to solve the equation x squared plus x plus 2 equal 5. After I press on the Go file, a PDF file is generated with the solution of this equation. So here I'm told that it is a quadratic equation, that its discriminant is strictly positive. So we have two solutions, x1 and x2. And on the curve, I can see the parabolic curve, which is an expression of x1 and x2. Another possibility, which is new for the application, is to solve inequalities. For example, here I want to solve the inequalities related to x squared 2 plus x plus 2 more than 5. And here again, the PDF file is giving me the solution of this inequality. So to help you to use this application, you can go to the next page where the details of what we just talked about is written. You can also find a video, which is the video you are currently seeing. And there is also a frequently asked question page, which can be useful for people starting using this application. So I hope you appreciated this video, and I hope you will find my application useful. Thank you. Bye.